dear viewers. I'm Hurmat Rafi, student of 9th grade, and welcome back to the Alexandrian Talk Show. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic, online education and its impacts on students. So, here joining me are 6 students of 9th grade, Abru Nabi, Sabah Shamim, Talib Habib, Suraya Salam, Rehana Nazir, and Saeed Afnan. So before proceeding further, we should know what actually online education is. So actually online education is a procedure of gaining skills and knowledge through electronic devices like mobile phones, computers, laptops and other devices using the internet. Now let's kick things off with the positive impacts of online education. So here is Suraya. Now Suraya will tell us what are the main benefits of online education.
One major benefit is flexibility. Students can learn at their own pace and choose when to study. This is especially helpful for those juggling jobs or family responsibilities.
Nice, Suraya. Sabah, what according to you?
I agree with Suraya. Plus, online education often provides access to the huge range of courses and resources. Plus, students can take classes from the institutions all over the world without leaving their homes.
Okay, here is Afnan also. Now Afnan will tell us regarding this.
We should not forget about the variety of resources that online platform offers. Diverse learning materials including videos, podcasts and interactive quizzes which cater different learning styles.
Okay, great points everyone. Now let's move towards the negative impacts of online education. So, Abru, what are your thoughts related to the downsides of online education?
One significant downside is the lack of face-to-face interaction. Many students miss the social aspects of traditional classrooms, which can affect their motivation and also their engagement.
Yeah. Now, Rehana, will you say something?
Yes, I agree. There is also the issue of self-discipline. Online learning requires a lot of personal motivation, and not everyone thrives in that environment.
Okay. What according to you, Talib?
Additionally, technology can be a barrier. Not all students can have access to reliable internet or devices, which can widen the educational gap.
Nice. Great points, everyone. Now let's move towards the personal experiences. So, Suraya, how online education has impacted your learning? Can you share something?
Sure, I have found it convenient, especially during the pandemic. I could study from home and manage my time better. However, I sometimes feel isolated and miss my friends.
Nice, Suraya. Now, Sabah will tell us that how online education has proved good for her.
For me, online education has allowed me to explore subjects. Like, I have taken courses in graphic designs, which I never have considered otherwise.
Okay, now Afnan will share his thoughts.
I had struggled with procrastination without a structural environment. It's easy to fall behind, which has been challenging for me.
Okay, as we look to the future, what do you think lies ahead for online education? Abru, what do you think? Just share.
Okay, I think hybrid models will become more common because combining online and in-person learning to enhance the experience.
Okay, Abru. Rehana, can you share something what can make this online education more interactive?
Yes, technology will continue to improve, making online learning more interactive and engaging, which could mitigate some current drawbacks.
Talib, anything else about the beneficiality of this education?
Institutions must provide better support systems for students, including mental health resources and tech support, so as to ensure that everyone can succeed in his life.
Thank you everyone for sharing your valuable insights today. It's clear that online education has its pros and cons, but with the right approach, students can thrive. And it's also specified that this education is an integral part of our educational landscape. That is online education. So let's adopt and innovate this education and make most of it. Thank you everyone for turning into student perspectives. See you next time.